much more than an inert mass of sand, silt, and clay. They are an interconnected community of organisms ruled by several physical and chemical factors, among other processes, playing a very important role in the overall function of terrestrial ecosystems. Soil provides a wide diversity of ecosystem services. It is difficult to rate the importance of the different soil functions since all are vital to our well-being. However, the function of supporting food and agriculture is fundamental for the preservation and advancement of human life in this planet. Since soil is the basis for plant growth, it contributes to the maintenance of both natural and planted landscape. It supports the forests and grasslands that spawn the planet's vegetative biodiversity. Those plants provide food, fuel, animal feed, medicine, and raw materials for clothing, household goods, and other essentials. In turn, plants also contribute to produce and maintain the soil health, contributing, for example, as a biomass or, for example, preventing erosion. Soil also supports animal biodiversity, above and below ground. Soil itself is teeming with an immeasurable number of microorganisms and insects that maintain soil quality, provide nutrients, break down toxic elements, and interact with water and air to help maintain a healthy natural environment.
I also greet everyone presented here from Slovenia. So we will speak today about a little bit about soil function, but not the all soil functions which were just mentioned, but about the productive capacity of soil, which is very important in agronomic sector. So Misa and Vesna will show you some approaches we currently use in Slovenia, or we are thinking of implementing in the future on our fields to improve soil health and soil production capacity. I guess we all who are here are aware that the humus is a very, very important part of the soil. It is produced with the decomposition of organic matter, and it's a source of nutrients for plants through the microbiological action. However, we in Slovenia, also in Europe and other parts of the world, we still face a huge lack of humus in our agricultural soils. The percentage of humus in the soil should be at least 3%. For vegetable growing, even more, from 4 to 8%. And thus, it's very, very important to increase the amount of humus in our soils.
To show you one of the new practices in conventional agriculture. This is not organic farming, it's conventional agriculture. And we try only because we know that our soil is not so good as it was maybe 50 years ago, and we try to improve it, but we have to be the matter also in economics production. Why are the reasons? I saw you climate change made a new challenge in agriculture. All the costs in production are higher, all plant protections, fertilizers, energy going up and up every year, but the food or our products are not giving much money than 10 years ago. Also, we have increased difficult to till, to do with our earth. We have a lot of problems because mainly because of collapsed soil structure, not so because of humus, because, as I say, in our analysis, I think we have 3%, about 3% humus in almost every GERC and any soil we try analysis, and we saw about 100 analyses per year from our land. Also the customers have new demands. They want more nature-friendly farming. This is also the reason why we changed, and so on. And you can see, and so 10 years ago, some of our farmers, and not just us, start to looking for new solutions for all these problems.
Hello from Slovenia. I'm very grateful that I can speak to you today. I didn't know what my friends from another institute will tell to you. I was not aware that conservation agriculture will be their topic, because I don't agree with conservation agriculture, and I will show you another way how to really improve the soil life and the soil quality. And the only way, I think, it is organic farming without herbicides, because herbicides kill the biodiversity in soil. So with my experience, 30 years in agriculture, and seeing all these results at these big farms, really big farms, I can tell you that we can produce enough food, very good and healthy food for people in this way, in organic way. We don't need herbicides.
Realidan is a company that started in 2007. We started with a small farm with 15 hectares of land, and around 5 hectares of it were olive orchard. The first years were totally dedicated to organic production of vegetables and strawberries, and there were different reasons to stop with this production. We don't have time to explain everything, but we came to the conclusion that we should pay some more attention to the organic, to the orchards on our region. Olive orchards cover a lot of area in Portugal and in the Mediterranean, and they are facing big challenges. Just 1 minute, okay. And we are trying to find some solutions for these challenges.